Yeah, so I'm still on identity. I just had a question yesterday. Why is it that we Kenyans think the least of Kenyan music? We think the least of Kenyan songs. We are always comparing ourselves to Americans and trying to be them. We're always comparing ourselves to South Africans and trying to be them. We are always saying of singers that the one who sings exactly like the South African is the one that is singing properly. Now, my friends, I myself have very many words to say about Kenyan music and some not so kind, but I also admit that I am Kenyan. Where identity is concerned, until we Kenyans get comfortable in our own skin and understand that music is a language. Music is a language like French or Shona or Zulu. And you never hear people say Shona is a better language than German. It can't be done. Those who speak Shona speak it better than those who speak German. Those who speak German as their native language speak it better than those of us who speak Swahili. That's just how languages go. Now, as far as music goes, Kenyan musician, I dare you, I challenge you. Let us learn the language called music, learn it well, learn how to have our identity as Kenyan musicians. I'm not talking about go sing some shabby, shoddy thing that has nothing to do with music. I'm not saying sing off key and then say, but we are supporting local talent. No. Support is not to be used or misused like that. You use something to support yourself when you cannot stand up. You understand? But I am calling you to stand and think, I am Kenyan. I have learned the language called music. I am going to learn how to express it as a Kenyan. And I am not always going to be comparing myself to other people's cultures and then looking down upon my own. Do you understand? I hope so. Let's hear Kenya rise up and play music that other people will want to listen to. Let's hear South Africans wanting to copy that Kenyan song. Let's hear Americans wanting to copy that Kenyan song. Let's not always be the ones who are thinking, and I am almost naming names, but I shan't. Comparing myself, let me use myself. Let me never be thinking, did I sound exactly like John Lisu? No, John is my friend and is very gifted, but God has called him to be him. I don't hear him calling himself Penina Ngombo wa Tanzania. No, he is John Lisu everywhere he goes, and you be you is all I'm saying. The Lord bless you.